Avocado house by Práctica Arquitectura. Only what is necessary. Under the zenithal light that enters through the roof of the 4.5-meter high central space of the house, its inhabitants can enjoy the surrounding landscape through the large windows that end in two of its perimeter patios and a large terrace that extends into the terrain by means of vegetated platforms. The rooms and services located in 3 cells that are articulated around the central space replicate the visual experience of closeness to the environment and distant views while maintaining a compact footprint of the building and a discreet presence on the site. El Aguacate seeks to be the interface between its inhabitants and the place in which it is deployed. A welcoming space for rest and coexistence whose composition is made up of interconnected courtyards and volumes and allows the free flow of wind, natural light, and circulations. From an initial scheme of concentric squares, the design of the house develops by defining a geometric, programmatic, and structural order that was later subverted to increase the size of the terrace and thus improve its comfort. All the elements work. The public and private spaces around the living room and central dining room support the large roof with its gray block walls protected by a rustic polished finish. The sobriety and solidity of the exterior together with the landscape design in apparent stone accentuate the stony and monolithic appearance of the house. Dialoguing through color and textures with the intense green color of the garden and the extensive character of the site. To the extent that the differences between the experience of city and country are blurred by means of transportation and the operational flexibility provided by digital connectivity, we felt it was important to rethink the idea of a weekend house from the environmental, social, economic and aesthetic commitment to provide only what is necessary. We seek to show that the good approach and execution of an idea, regardless of the scale and budget, allows us to say a lot with little.